Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this Volvo V70 key. This is the fob here, and I'm gonna be replacing the battery in it as this is not operating the remote control. Just gonna separate that. So to do that I'm gonna take this Torx screw from here. And then with the screwdriver I'm just gonna open this here, and there's these little clips here in the back. So we just want to push this cover backwards a little bit so it separates from the clips. Now I have the battery here at 2032. I have a couple of new batteries here, Duracell. Okay, there's the new battery. That's the plus side there, and it says here to put the plus side down there. So we can do that. Then we can peel this little cover here. We could potentially clean this a little bit if yours is as dirty as this one. Okay, now we can fit this back. We can close this bit first. There. Once that's in, this bit should just close, and then and that's basically it. Well, I forgot to put that little ring in there that this can go in through that hole in there anyway. So, well, I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.